To create a simple traffic campaign on Facebook and Instagram, start by defining your campaign objective as traffic. Set your target audience using demographics, interests, and behaviors. Design engaging ad creatives and choose placements across Facebook and Instagram. Finally, set your budget and schedule, then launch to drive quality traffic to your website. Facebook and Instagram ads offer massive reach, with over 3 billion and 2 billion users respectively. Their precision targeting capabilities enable advertisers to reach specific audiences based on demographics and interests. Traffic campaigns effectively drive qualified visitors to your website, enhancing conversion opportunities and fostering business growth through strategic ad placement. The traffic campaign objective focuses on directing users from Facebook or Instagram to your website or app. The Meta algorithm optimizes ad delivery to users likely to click through, enhancing budget efficiency. Success is measured by link clicks and landing page views, indicating user engagement and page load success. Link your Facebook page, Instagram account, and ad account in Meta Business Suite for unified campaign management. Install Facebook Pixel on your website to gather data on visitor behavior and conversions. Use this data to refine targeting, optimize ad delivery, and create retargeting campaigns for previous visitors. To create a successful traffic campaign in Ads Manager, start by selecting traffic as your campaign objective. This optimizes for website clicks. Next, assign a clear, descriptive campaign name reflecting your goals and target audience. Finally, set your budget, choosing between a daily or lifetime budget based on your financial constraints and objectives. Begin by selecting traffic as your campaign objective in Ads Manager to optimize for website clicks. Name your campaign clearly to reflect goals and target audience for easy management. Set a budget, choosing between daily or lifetime options, aligning with your financial constraints and campaign goals. Define your audience using Meta's targeting options by specifying age, location, interests, and behaviors. For example, target women aged 25 to 34 in urban areas interested in fitness and wellness. Utilize advanced options like saved audiences, custom audiences from website visitors, email lists, and lookalike audiences to enhance targeting precision. Automatic placements leverage Meta's algorithm to optimize ad distribution across platforms like Facebook and Instagram. For more control, manual placements allow targeting specific areas such as Instagram stories or Facebook feed. Ensure your Instagram account is linked to your Facebook page via Meta Business Manager for seamless ad integration. Select an ad format that aligns with your marketing goals, such as single image, video, or carousel. Use high-quality visuals to capture attention and convey your message quickly. Incorporate clear calls to action like "Shop now" or "Learn more" to guide user actions. Ensure your ad copy is concise, persuasive, and consistent with your brand voice. To optimize your ad's performance, focus on crafting a compelling headline that captures attention immediately. Ensure your ad copy is concise and resonates with your audience's needs. Use high-quality visuals to enhance engagement. Test different ad variations to identify what works best, and adjust your strategy based on performance metrics. Start by selecting the traffic objective in Ads Manager. Set your budget, either daily or lifetime. Define your audience with detailed targeting. Choose between automatic or manual ad placements. Upload your creative elements, including visuals and call to action buttons. Finally, review and launch your campaign. Always preview ads on Facebook and Instagram for optimal display. Track link clicks versus landing page views to assess traffic quality. Monitor click-through rate, CTR, for ad relevance. Evaluate cost per click, CPC, for budget efficiency. Analyze cost per landing page view for qualified traffic insights. Use Ads Manager to identify trends and optimize performance. Analyzing a 14-day campaign, observe how click-through rate increases and cost per click decreases. This trend reflects Meta's algorithm optimizing ad delivery to more responsive audiences, signifying effective campaign learning and audience refinement. Such patterns are crucial for understanding campaign dynamics and ensuring strategic adjustments for enhanced performance. Implement A/B testing using the 3-2-2 method. Test 3 creative variations. 2 audience segments, and 2 offers to find optimal combinations. Adjust budget allocation by focusing on top-performing ad sets, pausing underperformers. Deploy retargeting strategies by targeting past website visitors with tailored ads to boost conversion rates. Facebook and Instagram traffic campaigns are essential for driving qualified website visitors. Establish clear, measurable goals and use precise audience targeting to efficiently reach ideal customers. Monitor performance metrics with Ads Manager and continuously test creative variations, audiences, and placements to optimize results and maximize return on investment. Commit to ongoing optimization for long-term success.